So, David here. So, this is the hen section from the distance loft. And they sit on V-perches. A little tiny bit of barley left. And they're out flying. So, the cock section, which is there, they've now got to come in here so that I can get the hens in. So, and as you can, there was one hen out there at least. So now the cocks are going to come into there. So we have to shut this, otherwise the hens come in here. Every day the same. Look, they've come down already. As soon as they see me doing this, they start. So, hop, hop. So you cocks are going to go in. Come on, hop, hop. Hop, 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 hop. Let's go. Hop, hop. Hop, hop. Hop, hop. So they all know what they're doing. Last man standing is always the 45. And there he is every single day. Last man, come on in. Hop, hop. Let's go. Come on. So, there he goes in there. Yeah, I can only do that with this arm. My arm doesn't bend. So, the only thing we have to do is we have to make sure that every cock box is closed. So, when the hens come in, none of them can get into a box because I have two hens paired to one cock. And if they get into the boxes, there's absolute murder. So, that's now set up for the hens to come in. And they'll come in through here and then trap through the bob wires there. Look, they're just waiting. So, come on then. Come on then. Come on then, Middles. Come on then. Come on then. Come on, Middles. Come, 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 come. Come on then. No, come, 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 come. This is all the distance hens. That's the Lone Ranger there on the trap from 19. Some Maulders Bracchius with the 21. That's the 185. That's a daughter of the old Hollander there, that dark grizzle. Come on then, come. Come on then, come. That grizzle there. It's a daughter of Miss Paris when paired to the 95. That's 7820, the checker there. That's a Maulders Bracchius. And that's 7215. It's also a Maulders Bracchius. So they don't really want to go in because they can see the cocks are not in there, but they'll go. And then eventually, this is what I was talking about earlier on a video, how the distance loft is not in the same condition as the race loft. They've come down now. Come on in. My crow's on watch on the tree. Most of them are down there, just the last few straight in the wings. There's the 970 from the distance. That's my parrot calling me. Should be getting the trailer going soon. Won't take long and we'll be using that. The bath come fish pond. Greenhouse. A few parrots and budgies and cockatiels. That's my pool. My house over there. We're just doing some work on the terrace at the moment. And there you can see the distance loft. And there is the stock loft. And then it goes back down to the race loft. And over there, you can see that bit of stone there, that's where the new loft is going to go. Going to be putting a 12 metre loft there, 40 foot across there. Oh, let's go and feed.